Assalamualaikum my dear children. I'm back with a revision of the fourth lesson's last part, that is clothes. In the previous video we have revised that from where we get the clothes. We get clothes from both the plants and animals, right? Like we get cotton from the cotton plant and we get wool from the fleece of sheep, and also we get wool from the hair of camels and fur of rabbits, okay? And we get silk from the silkworms and rubber from the rubber tree. Now let's continue our revision from here, that is, let us meet some people who help in making clothes. So let's meet some people, children, who help in getting the clothes to us. So let us revise that. First, the farmers, what they will do, they will grow the cotton plants. And shepherd raise the sheep for wool. Shepherd means this person will take out the hair of the sheep, okay? That man is called as shepherd. And from them the weaver will get the material and they will make the cloth, okay? So the weaver will weave the cloth. Then next what will happen, the shopkeeper will take from them and they will sell to us, isn't it? And we buy from the shopkeeper. Next, the tailor stitches the cloth to make clothes. Then finally we reach to the tailors for getting our clothes stitched, right? So these many people are helping in making the clothes, okay children? Next, colorful clothes from India. Our India is a large country, right? And different people live in India, and different people they wear the different clothes. Let us find out what are the different clothes that people wear in India. We know that people wear clothes according to the places where they live. Look at these pictures. They show children from different parts of India wearing different kinds of clothes. Which of these have you seen? Can you name any of these clothes? So people, they wear the clothes according to the place where they live, children, okay? So here are some examples given here. First is the Ghagra Choli, okay? The people living in Rajasthan, the women, they wear this Ghagra Choli, and the men, they wear this turban on their head and short kurta and pajama. So this is the kind of clothes the people wear in Rajasthan. The people belonging to West Bengal, they wear this type of clothes. The women, they wear this sari with the pallu on their heads, okay? And the men, they wear this type of dhoti kurta, okay? In this style they wear. So this is the kind of clothes that West Bengali people wear. Next is the Kerala. The people who belong to Kerala, they wear this type of clothes, okay? The women, they wear this sari, and men, they wear this short shirt and one cloth on their right shoulder, and down will be the lungi type, okay? So these people are the Kerala people who wear this kind of clothes. Next is the Maharashtra people wear this type of clothes, okay? So look at the picture here. The woman will wear this type of sari, children. It is also called as the Nawari style, okay? And the men, they wear this type of dhoti kurta with a cap on their heads, okay? Next, the people who live in Punjab, they wear this kind of clothes, okay? The woman will wear the salwar kameez, and men, they will wear this type of dhoti kurta, okay? And they wear this turban on their heads, and also they wear this waistcoat, okay? The next is Kashmiri people. They wear this type of outfits, children, okay? The men, they wear the pathanis, and the women, they wear the headscarf and also the salwar kameez, okay? So by all these pictures we came to know that people wear clothes according to the places where they live, right? Next, clothes from around the world. Now let's have a glance over the people who wear different kinds of clothes around the world. First is Ali and Roshni are wearing kimonos from Japan. So kimonos is this type of outfit, children, the people wear in Japan. Look at the picture here. Next is the Mina and Nina are wearing the Xiongxam dress from China, okay? So the China people wear this type of outfit. Next is Millie and Joy are wearing the dress of Scotland called kilt. So the people belonging to Scotland, they wear this type of dresses. Next is Ria and Jojo are wearing a dress from Korea called hanbok. So look at the outfit they are wearing. It's completely different when compared to others, right? Next is Zeba is wearing a Russian dress called sarafan. So the people of Russia, they wear this type of outfit. Next is Tarun and Tina are wearing dresses from Saudi Arabia. Tarun is wearing a sob and Tina is wearing a jalabia. Okay. Sorry for my tongue twist, children. So these are the different kinds of clothes that people wear living in different part of the world. Okay. Next, caring for clothes. We should take care of our clothes, right? How can we take care of our clothes? By cleaning them and by wearing it very carefully, right? First one is fold clothes neatly. It's a good habit, right? Next, do not wash clothes when they are dirty. This is a bad habit. Whenever your clothes get dirty, you have to wash it. Okay. Next, iron cotton clothes. Iron means istari karna. Okay, so you have to iron the cotton clothes so that your clothes look so neat and clean, right? Next is scribble on your friend's school dress. No, it's a bad habit. Scribble means what? Writing on your friend's school dress is a bad habit. Why? Because that stains will not go very easily, children. That is why. Next, put wet clothes in the cupboard without drying them. It's a bad habit. Before keeping the clothes in the cupboard, you have to make sure that your clothes are completely dried. Okay, so in these ways you can take care of your clothes. Next is, let's have a glance over the complete lesson, children. Clothes protect us from the heat, rain and cold, and also from the dirt and dust. Okay, we wear clothes according to our needs. Yes, according to our need we wear the clothes. Like in different seasons we wear different clothes, right? And also the people living in different part of the world, they wear different kinds of clothes. Clothes are made from different materials such as cotton, silk and wool. People wear clothes according to the places where they live. We should care for our clothes, right? Well, that's it, children. It was the end of our fourth lesson revision, that is clothes. We'll catch up in the next video with the new concept. Till then, stay safe, stay connected. Allah Hafiz.